Want to let players revive teammates in your Roblox game? Let's build a simple revive system. Set up character and revive trigger. In starter player, ensure each player has a humanoid. Next, insert a proximity prompt into the player's humanoid root part and set action text to revive. Set hold duration to 3 to 5 seconds. Add revive logic in a script. In starter character scripts, add a local script for the prompt. Now insert a remote event. In replicated storage, name it revive. Handle revive on the server. In server script service, add a script. This restores health and to a downed teammate. Optional, add animations or UI. Add revive animations using humanoid.load animation. You can also show a custom "You've been revived" UI on the revived player screen. And that's how to add a work and revive features in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.